This is my Lego agent truck that, well, but I don't know where to start.
Just talk about it all.
Okay, this is the projector. And then you just put these things on, and the screen's back there. And you switch it out with the shark, medical droid, cup. And these are all the weapons and stuff. Their gear. And then this is the little crane. Oops. That can pick up the four-wheeler and put it down and up. Can't really see. And that's how the four-wheeler gets up and down. And then under here is the car. Little guns on the side. Oop. And then there's a little boat inside here. That goes on it. And then back here, you just pull this little door out. And then the jet ski. We got little stuff on it. Then it slides back in. It could fit, but it doesn't. And here's the bad guy, Dr. Inferno.
And he's in jail.
Yep. And he can escape by, there's a little lever right here, and you push it, and it knocks out the door, and then he can escape. And the door just locks back in. Then this is his helper. I don't know. And he's the little spider. I don't know, I guess his legs got cut off, so he has robot spider legs. And then he cuts through a hole. He can get out with his laser gun thing. And then his ship. The guy's in there. That's how you can get away. And then a little control board. Then the ship is right here. It slides off. And fly. It just slides back in and folds.
And what about the front?
This is the truck that pulls the whole thing. This can open up, and there's missiles inside there. And then to put them in, this opens up, and you can put them right there. And then you can all put it back in. Say, or get this stuff right under here. And that folds back up. Just put everything wherever. And then pick up the four-wheeler. And then put it back. There, that folds down. These pieces stay out. Then these fold up. This folds in. Then this goes up. Folds down. This folds up. Backs up. And puts it in there. And
Kid, look on the back. Kid,
So that's the whole truck put together.
kid, look on the back.
what?
And that's it?
And that's the truck.
Cool.